Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I apologize. I hope to get this up, before 12, but y'all, I have been up all night. I've had a lot of health issues, a lot of family issues. So, let me just try to get through this. There will be backing on some of the pages. I just haven't been able to do it for all of them. The first thing I did is I did this handmade cloud. I actually drew the cloud, cut it out. I added fishing line to do the raindrops because April showers bring May flowers. So the cute thing about this one is that it always reminds me of my eldest daughter. She always sang, and of course I'll put it behind the background of rainbow. She always sang the song Rain, Rain, Go Away, but it was the way she did it was always so cute because she'd sing Rain, Rain, Go Away, come again another day. Little Sally wants to play. But then she'd end it with Rain, Rain, Go Away. And then she would do it so fast. Now she's teaching her daughter how to do it. And she's two. So, with that also being said, I decided to do two cute little envelopes with, notes inside. And you can write you a little tag and say something inside. And then close it up. And the same with this one. Little tag inside. Close it up. But you can use these for ATCs or memory decks cards or just a gift card or something in Happy Mail. So I added those two. They were Easter colors and I thought they were cute. Now, yes, I tried my hand at glitter dust, diamond dust again. Now, I added the diamond dust, but I also added stickles around the rainbow, put a jewel in the center, and then added the diamond dust around the edges. But not only that, y'all have seen, when I showed my example in the very, very beginning, there was, this was from the Dollar Tree, and there was a circle that had all these. Well, then there was all these, like, teardrops. And then on the other end, there was individuals. So I thought I'd use the teardrops to add some bling and sparkle again with some of the jewels. And so it is a rainbow with a cupcake scallop that looks like a cloud and teardrops. I hope it shows it justice. Maybe I need to find a piece of paper that is white. Do I have one? Maybe, maybe not. Can you see it? I'm pretty proud of it. I think it's super, super cute. Between the cloud, even though it's rain clouds, I mean, yeah, the fishing line is curling, but you can glue them down how you need them. But I just think these turned out so super cute for April showers. Then you cannot go without having Easter with the crosses. So I cut out the cross and added in the gold metallic paper from BB Craft. And then I added a little pink flower. And I had tried so many times to do this over and over again the way I wanted, and it didn't work out. So this is what everything has turned out to be. Obviously, the Lord wanted it the way He wanted it, and this is how it turned out. So we got one cross with a pink flower and one cross with a heart and a gem. Because you know you can't have the cross without the Christ sacrificious, sacrificial and the blood. If I could have added crayons or purple drape, I would have, but like I said, it didn't work out the way I wanted. Then I got Girly Girl on us, because who cannot want to go to church on Easter Sunday without some gorgeous shoes? Maybe you're not a high heel girl, but you still gotta love the heels. And I had to put one in pink for Miss Lorraine, one in blue for myself. And then, even though I'm not a fan of lavender, man, this was gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I hope it shows through, but in person, wow, it's beautiful. And I'm not a lavender girl. Now, this one, I decided that I was going to double layer. I took some floral paper. I did the gold, just like I did in the crosses. I did the basic layer in gold. And then I overlayered and cut some off so you could have the gold heel. So you've got a floral heel with a little bit of gold. Still very Eastery. Still very pretty. And still very girly girl. Excuse me. And then I wasn't sure what to do, but I added the sparkles to the flower. And I had added, because, well, it's actually the same. I did some of it. I was working with trying to do crosses different ways, and so it wasn't working out. So I added some of the jewels here, here, and here. I added the floral paper that I added in this high heel. And then I added, yep, I didn't get to show you. Actually, it was in my last video with Tammy Step in Therapy that I did my ATC card in this pink and gold metallic. And then I added this floral. I added friend, and instead of having a little dot, I did the big gold dot. And then, like I said, I had the jewels added. I stickled this up like crazy and thought, you know what, this could be added. You could punch a hole and make it a tag. You could write to from, oops, looks like there's some glitter on the back. You could add to and from on the back. You could do whatever you want to do. Just sweet friend. So I figured I'd add that for a basic. And then I did the Easter egg. Now I did pop this up on dimensions. I wanted to have the egg solid, the gold egg solid, but it didn't work out that way. So, with that being said, we have the gold egg in the back and the rainbow egg on top. And from the center of this cross, there was a gold punch out left. And so, Easter egg or not, it's still about the cross. We wouldn't be celebrating Easter if it was not for this. But I am pretty proud, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try to get this uploaded. I apologize if I'm late. I apologize if I'm drained and not overexcited. I have been up all night, and I'm proud that I actually finally... Oh, and by the way, the sequins mix. The sequins mix is a little pink, a little blue, some flowers, some hearts, lots of flowers actually in different sizes, a little clear, But then I thought, I got this free die from one of my AliExpresses. And I thought, what a cute little chick. And of course, I Winkastella'd it. And also did stickles, the gold stickles, sunburst stickles around the edge and in the wing. So I thought I'd stick the little chicky chick in the middle. Again, I apologize for being very drowsy, very whatever. But I have been up and it's now 10 o'clock, so it's 10 a.m. and my butt's going to bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow night, and I will do my best to leave comments tomorrow. If not, I will leave them Monday. I love you all, and I absolutely wish you the best.